calculating molar mass for molecules or compounds. So in this example problem, it says calculate the molar mass of aluminum nitrate, or AlNO3, 3. So we're going to have to put the answer in grams per mole. So here we have to make sure that we understand how many atoms are in the molecule or compound. So we have to count them very carefully, and then we have to go look at the periodic table to find the molar mass of each element in that molecule or compound, and then we will add them all up to find the molar mass. So here we have one Al molecule, one Al atom, then we have 3 nitrogen atoms. How did I get 3 nitrogen atoms? I know that when I have a 3 here in the subscript, that means I have NO3. I have that ion 3 times. I have that ion 3 times in that compound. So NO3, NO3, NO3. So if it helps you to draw it out, NO3, 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 and an Al, you can definitely do that so that you can make sure that you're counting correctly. So I have 1, 2, 3 N's, nitrogens. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 3 times 3 oxygen molecules. So you can also do this like 3 times 1, because you wouldn't write the N unless there was at least one of them. So 3 times 1, and you'll get 3 nitrogens. So now we know we're going to add all of them up so that we can get the molar mass of the compound. So Al, we find the molar mass of Al, aluminum, is atomic number 13, and its molar mass is going to be 26.98 grams per mole. Now, what we have to remember for nitrogen is we're going to multiply whatever is here, whatever is the molar mass of N is, by 3, because there's 3 atoms of N in aluminum nitrate. So 3 times N is 14.01 grams per milliliter, mole. So we have 3 times 14.01 grams per mole, and so we're going to have to remember to do this calculation before we add them all up. And then 9 times 16.00 grams per mole of oxygen. So now we're ready to calculate the molar mass of AlNO3, 3. So here 26. So it would be, if you are going to get confused or are not going to be able to do this calculation, you can actually just figure out 3 times 14.01 first, and then put the answer there, so 42.03 grams per mole. So I'm just going to actually do this first part of the calculation and then add them all up. Remember to move all of these over here, and then 9 times 16 is going to give me 144.00 grams per mole. And when I add them up, so 144 plus 42.03 plus 26.98, I get 213.01 grams per mole for the molar mass of AlNO3. But we're not done, because the last part of the problem says round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to round this to the nearest tenth, which is this. So it's actually going to be 213.0 grams per mole is the molar mass of AlNO3, 3.